Good morning, all our listeners and viewers. Today, I'll be touching up a very important topic breastfeeding. I welcome you all, myself, Dr. Prabjeet, working as a pediatric intensivist and neonatologist at Healing Hospital, Sector 34, Chandigarh. So, let's all discuss what is breastfeeding. I'll split up this conversation in two. One is the nutritional benefits, one is non nutritional benefits. उससे पहले समझेंगे कि मदर्स मिल्क का बनना कैसे होता है, हाउ इट इज फॉर्म्ड. Immediately after the delivery, the first few days or few hours of mother feed is basically colostrum. This is thick yellowish material which comes out of the nipples, which is very rich in protein as well as immunoglobulins. अगर इसको हम सिंपल भाषा में कहें तो ये गाढ़ा दूध जो इनिशियल आता है ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है बच्चे को देना. सो colostrum is very very important, which is there for the first few hours to few days. Although the amount of colostrum which is produced, उसकी मात्रा बहुत कम है, but then whatever it is sufficient for the baby. So how do we titrate? How do we tell a mother कि how to titrate कि जो भी आप feed दे रहे हो वो appropriate है? If your baby is passing urine every 3 hours, माने nearly 8 times a day, it simply means whatever feed you are giving is appropriate. मैं मदर्स को बहुत इजीली इसीलिए कन्वे करती हूँ कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हर 3 घंटे में जब आप डाइपर चेंज कर रहे हो वो गीला नहीं है, या आपके हर 3 घंटे में जो भी आपने उसका नैपी चेंज किया है वो गीला नहीं है, तो आपका दूध कम आ रहा है. सो दिस इज द ओनली वे. हम इस सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी अगर बच्चा रो रहा है, रात में एक्सेसिवली क्राई कर रहा है, तो यही मदर को बोला जाता है कि दूध कम की वजह से रो रहा होगा. बिकॉज दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ अ सूदर. अगर आप उसको मुंह में दूध दे रहे हो तो दिस वर्क्स एज अ सूदर. बच्चा वैसे भी काम हो जाएगा. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द फीड जो है जिसको हम ट्रांजिशन मिल्क कहते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी रिच इन अगेन proteins as well as immunoglobulins, but it has the quantity also increases and the quality of it further changes according to the gestation of the baby. जितना एज पे बेबी का डिलीवरी हुआ है उस अकॉर्डिंगली मदर के अंदर से जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स फीड में आने हैं वो आएंगे. एंड फॉलोड बाय अ नॉर्मल और व्हाट वी कॉल अ फॉलो अप मिल्क. ये तो हुई 3 बार की अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम ड्यूरेशन. बट from a single side of the mother's breast, there are 3 types of milk which are coming. First thing which comes is the fore milk, जिसको हम कहते हैं सबसे initial वाला milk, which is more consistent with water, because जैसे ही बच्चे को feed start करना है मदर ने, it is the water intake which is important. तो वो watery fluid होता है. मदर्स को बहुत बार देख के लगता भी है कि ये feed appropriate नहीं होगा, but then believe me, this is the most appropriate thing for the baby. The second phase is mid milk, और जो हम कहते हैं कि बीच का दूध आना शुरू हुआ, which is not only rich in water, along with it has ingredients which are very rich in carbohydrates, more of sugars, which is easy digestible sugars, so that this takes care of the hunger of the child. The third component from the same side of the breast, the last few sips constitutes more of the oil based milk, or what we say is more rich in fat, which is very important because the fat which is there will make your child have satiety, मतलब उसको तसल्ली रहेगी. And second, it will take care of the next few hours का energy supply, 2 hours के लिए energy supply for the next 2 hours, and baby will be sleeping well. So it's very important to give milk from one side of the breast, which includes all the 3, fore, mid and hind part of the milk. Now I'll come to the main topic, which says what are the nutritional and what are the second part would be what are the non-nutritional. So if we enumerate the nutritional component, human milk is, as I've said, is species specific. Mother का milk human species में अपने बच्चे के लिए बना है, and it is appropriate. Whatever the constituents it has, the appropriate amount of calcium, magnesium, all those micronutrients it is rich in, is appropriate for a child for not only the growth of the body, the weight of the body, but also the brain structure. So the protein component in the mother's milk is a protein which is easily digestible by the newborn gut, and it prevents colic to an extent. Although colic is a normal physiological problem which occurs in any children, all children I would say, but then it is important to know that the breast milk itself prevents colic to an extent. Let's talk about the amount of the breastfeeding. The amount of the breastfeeding directly proportional to the amount what the mother is delivering to the child. It is a kind of a positive feedback system. If the mother keeps feeding the child, the more is the production from the same side of the breast. So it's always important to encourage breastfeeding. So now comes the non-nutritional benefits. In the non-nutritional benefits, first of all, it increases the bonding. It creates a bond between a child and a mother. So then a mother is more attached to a child, and the child also can actually sense the mother from the smell of the milk. So it has been seen that the immediate or the first developmental milestone which we see is the mother recognition, which occurs as early as 2 months. So it's very important to breastfeed to create a bond. Active use of the facial muscles, which helps in the proper growth of the facial muscles, is also a part and parcel of a non-nutritional benefit of breastfeeding. One of the important non-nutritional concepts which I really want to discuss in this video is that it has been seen that mother's milk is a preventive thing in many adulthood diseases like obesity, diabetes mellitus, and to an even extent asthma and allergies. How? I'll explain and I'll touch a few points on this. It has been seen that the microbiota, माने जो भी microorganisms जिनको हम commensals कहते हैं, ये healthy microbiota कहते हैं, वो mother से हम बच्चे के पास आते हैं. The first thing which comes as a bunch of microbiota is from the amniotic fluid, जो mother के womb से आता है. And later on, immediately after the birth, जो first microbiota exchange होता है माँ से बच्चे के साथ, that is through the milk. And it has been seen that children who has been breastfed are less likely to have all these adulthood disorders like cardiac disorders, sudden heart attacks, diabetes mellitus, obesity, hypertension, and to a larger extent asthma and all kind of these gut allergies is also known to be reduced if the baby is breastfed in the newborn time. It helps not only the child but also the mother to fight with the diseases like postpartum depression, anxiety. It also helps the mother to get back into shape after the delivery. This acts as a natural contraceptive because it has been seen that the hormonal levels, increased prolactin levels, which are responsible for the feeding or the lactation, do not lead the normal ovarian cycle to start and thus prevents pregnancy. So with this all, I'll just summarize that it is very, very important to give this mother's milk, which is nature's magic, which is God's gift for the little one from through the mother. So it's very important for all mothers to understand how important it is for the baby. It is always good to give exclusive breastfeeding. Exclusive breastfeeding means आप उसको दूध के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं दे रहे हैं through mouth. Top feed dena once in a while just as an assistance in case the mother is not producing enough milk or because of some other complication or some other contraindication, which are very, very rare, is acceptable. But then we insist for mothers to actually exclusively breastfeed whatever the time they have. In case the working mothers are there, I would request them to give benefit of exclusive breastfeeding till they are on a maternity leave. Yes, once they plan to go back to their duties, then even then it is important that the top feed should be supplemented by breastfeeds. If you have any problems in feeding, lactational problems, we are here to help you at Sector 34, Chandigarh Healing Hospital. Thank you.